Hey guys, Amanda here and welcome back to my channel. Today, what am I doing here? I don't know. So today, I'm going to be showing you one of my most requested hair looks, which is actually kind of funny because it's like just an easy, messy bun. You guys are gonna like die how easy it is. And it's just gonna be a really quick and easy short video. And as always, with every video, we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away makeup brushes, a makeup bag, and a makeup palette. I'm not going to be holding up all of the stuff because it is a lot. So just go to the description box for the details on how to enter, and then check out my Instagram so you can see all the good stuff that we'll be giving away. So let's get started. To start off, you're gonna need the following items. First, dry shampoo, conditioner, purple shampoo, some more shampoo, this hand, this plant,
this TV box for Black Friday,
this glove, this other plant, this candle, Aquastavia, I don't know how to say, this tripod, this camera, and the most important step is good old Freddy. Can't do a bun without good old Freddy. Huh, Fred? Fredrickson. Okay, we're done. And we're moving on. So, really you don't need any of that crap. The only thing you're gonna need for this hair look is a measly hair elastic. And just a side note, I know my hair is curled. It's been curled for like 3 days now, so I just thought I would throw it up in a bun, and yeah, so your hair doesn't need to be curled. It can be straight or whatever to do this. I do recommend, if you do leave pieces out, to make sure that they're semi-wavy. That way it's not like kinky or straight or whatever. Okay, so first you're gonna put your hair in the back. And sorry if I don't like look at the camera, I'm trying to like look at the mirror while I'm doing this, so yeah, bear with me. So I just like to leave a couple pieces just like that, and then I'm just gonna take all my hair up, and it doesn't need to be super perfect, hence the messy bun. And you're just gonna put it all the way up. I like to do my messy bun pretty high. Look, you could even do a high ponytail. Anyway, so then I just take it, and after I do all this and bring all my pieces up, I'm gonna take it and spin it. And just twist your hair. Then I twist it around, and then you make sure you pull this part tight. And then you're gonna keep twisting the ends, and then you just do it all the way around. And then you're gonna take your hand, and you're gonna put your hair in like a ball, and you're gonna take your hair elastic, wrap it around, then grab your hand with the other one, and go. When you have a lot of hair, it's hard. Oh, and that. And then if you have like pieces that fall out like mine, you just stick them, tuck them back in, and voila, you have a messy bun. So then what I like to do after I do that is just kind of pull a couple pieces out, and I like to leave alfalfas. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how that happened. So then I just tuck some of those pieces back in. I pull my side little pieces down so it kind of like flows. And wha-bam! So this is pretty much it. This is like the finished look. It's like not perfect or anything by any means. It's just a messy bun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, it was like really short and easy. So next time you're headed to the gym or whatever and you kind of want to just throw your hat in a bun, this is it. You can also tuck your front pieces just back in if you don't like them and you want to have this up and just have these sides. But I always like to have something down. I don't know, maybe it's because I have like baby ears and I like something to like hide them. I don't know. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it was helpful, and let me know how it goes and if you like end up using it or liking it. Also, I don't use any like hairspray or setting spray with this bun. Some people I know do like hairspray or whatever, but I don't use any. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment if you have any other requests. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see y'all here next week.